When collecting multiple tubes during a venipuncture, which tube should be collected immediately after the blood culture bottle? Is the correct answer A, green top lithium heparin, or B, light blue top sodium citrate, or C, red/gold top SST, or D, lavender top EDTA? The correct answer is B, light blue top sodium citrate. The sodium citrate tube must immediately follow the blood culture bottle to ensure the correct 9:1 blood to additive ratio. Any delay or wrong tube first contaminates the citrate ratio, causing false coagulation results. This is the #1 most tested phlebotomy order of draw scenario across all 3 exams.